Hi friends, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at this cordless air compressor. But of course you guys want to see what you get inside. So let's go ahead and unbox it and test it out for you. I love the hard protective case. Nice carrying handle. I love when brands put cases with their products. It shows the brand actually cares. Use your manual. Let's see what kind of accessories they got hiding in here. So it looks like this is where you're going to find your compressor hose, your charging cable, and your different extensions for inflating different things and for other stuff related. So this is it. Definitely got a little weight to it, so we know that it's got a big power bank. As it says here, it's 3 times 2600 mAh, 40 L a minute, 150 psi max. Love the black and orange and white. You have a little ring light here. Compressor line connects there. And I love how they do this now. So this is more of a modern design. So you just simply thread. So you thread it on like this. And I love that. A lot of brands had started doing that, and I love that. On the bottom here, you can charge it with your Type-C. You can also charge your cell phone and other devices with a USB port. Press and hold the power button. We have the light right on here. Nice emergency flash if you need it. Very nice. Okay. So we can adjust your PSI by up and down, as you guys can see. Now, in person, it's not blinking like that. This is just, the camera showing it. You got your battery display as well. You can adjust for different things. So basketball, you got manual, car, scooter, bicycle. Those are just kind of presets that they have. If you press and hold this symbol right here, you can change it from PSI to bar, press and hold again to KPA, to KGCM, back to PSI. So now let's test this out. As you can see, it has an auto off feature once it hits that PSI that you set it for. It's actually very good and very responsive. I've had some that once it hits 35 PSI, it takes like 1 to 3 seconds delay before it shuts off. This one is almost instantly. In fact, I think it is instantly, which is incredible. Yeah, overall, very nice.